Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q3 Sport 35 TFSI S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty, modern and stylish from every angle. Being the Sport, you do get chrome, silver and matte grey design elements, giving this a nice sporty touch. Also under the bonnet is a 1.5 litre turbocharged petrol engine, giving you 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have these LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners you get these 18-inch 5 double arm spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the Sport styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals maximum space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop, and the rear seats can be folded down for that extra storage space. On the inside we have the black and grey cloth seats for maximum comfort, with the rear air vents providing that lovely bit of air conditioning for the rear occupants, and both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are the Sport seats and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, letting you choose which one you'd prefer to drive in. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and you have full control of the direction, temperature and speed of the air, or you can press auto and it will do it itself for you. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q3 Sport 35 TFSI S Tronic in Mythos Black, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team or simply come to the showroom and take a look for yourself.